Assalamu alaikum. This is Rafa Saleh. So what we are going to learn today, this is the overview of today's video. Let's start with some basic information of the gas turbine power plant. First we have to understand what is power plant. Power plant is an assembly of equipment that produces and delivers mechanical and electrical power. And in gas turbine power plant, we use gas as a working substance. The simple assembly of the gas turbine power plant is shown in the block diagram, in which C shows the compressor, CC shows the combustion chamber, and T shows the gas turbine. The turbine is connected with the electrical generator by means of a shaft, and on the other hand, compressor and gas turbine are mounted on the same shaft. A gas turbine power plant works on the Brayton or Joule cycle. This is its PV diagram. And this is its TS diagram, which also known as property diagram. At point 1, the air is supplied to the compressor. The compressor compresses it isentropically. It means pressure is raised here. So from 1 to 2, it is isentropic compression process. At 2, the air enters the combustion chamber, where it is burnt with fuel and its temperature is raised. These high pressure and hot gases enter the turbine at point 3, where the energy of hot and pressurized gas is used to rotate the turbine blades, which means now gaseous energy is converted into shaft power, and this power is used to produce electricity as generator is connected to the gas turbine. So in turbine, the gases are isentropically expanded. At point 4, these gases are released in the atmosphere. So this cycle is an open cycle. You might be thinking, how we compress the air in compressor without any power source? Actually, compressor, gas turbine and generator all are mounted on the single shaft. First time, the compressor's blades are moved with the help of motor known as prime mover. But once the hot gases are reached in the gas turbine, then gas turbine is responsible for the power to rotate the compressor's blade as well as the generator's coil. If we provide hot gases at point 1 from 4 instead of leaving them in the atmosphere, then this cycle would be a closed cycle. For this purpose, we have to install a cooler in the path of hot gases from point 4 to 1. So from point 4 to 1, it would be constant pressure cooling. But in power plant, we use open cycle. So here we will discuss open cycle only. Let's write energy flow equations for each component. Point 1 is its input and 2 is its output. In compressor, heat is 0. So this is work input expression for the compressor. For ideal gas, enthalpy is equal to molar specific heat into temperature. So we can write the expression as, for combustion chamber, zero point 0.2 is its input and 3 is its output. In combustion chamber case, work is 0. This is the expression of heat supplied. For turbine, in this case, heat is 0. This relation is output work of the turbine, also known as gross output. As in open cycle, compressor is only dealing with air, so Cp would be of air. In combustion chamber and gas turbine, Cp is of gas. Net output of the power plant is work output minus work input. Work ratio is ratio of net output to the gross output. This is net output and this is gross output. Next is cycle or thermal efficiency. It is equal to the net output divided by the total heat supplied. This is net output and this is total heat supplied. Up till now we have discussed the cycle in ideal case, where the process in compressor and turbine are 100% isentropic. It means from 1 to 2 and 3 to 4 we have perfectly straight lines, but practically there are some reversibilities. We also known as entropy cannot be constant. Actually, at every second it is increasing. So we have to make some changes in property diagram. So the ideal point is 2s and real point is 2. Similar cases with 4. In ideal case, we will get 0.4s and in real it would be 4. So the compressor's isentropic efficiency is equal to the ideal input divided by the actual input. Now the isentropic efficiency of the turbine. It is equal to the actual output to the ideal output. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.